If you haven't filed your taxes yet, time is running out. The deadline to file or apply for an extension is tomorrow. On your side's Caitlin Richards spoke with an expert about what you need to know before it's too late. So Caitlin, what are some of those steps that people can take?
Courtney, go to your local tax office as soon as possible with all those needed documents. Tax advisors say even if there's a wait, make sure to either walk in or go online to apply for an extension or file taxes to avoid penalties. Tax season can be confusing, but people like Carol Haddock are here to help. The general manager at Liberty Tax says to have all documents intact, especially if you had marketplace insurance at 1095A or if you have an identity protection PIN number from the IRS. Those two things will cause the return to reject, creating an extra trip to the local tax office.
I always tell people, bring everything you think you might need. I'd rather have more stuff than I need than have you have to go look for something else.
Haddock says they've been seeing about a 50-50 mix in those walking up to file taxes and those who have appointments as the deadline approaches. The IRS estimates more than 20 million forms will be filed electronically or by paper nationwide asking for an extension. It's important to know if needing more time to file taxes, an extension is available, but that also has to be applied for by the end of April 18th.
That gives you an additional time to file, which will give you to October 15th to file. If you have a balance due, it does not give you additional time to pay. Your balance due is still due on 18th of April. So you will accrue interest.
If you pay the amount that's due or what you think will be due, you'll have interest that will have to be paid on that amount when it's time to actually file. But what happens if taxes aren't filed at all?
Normally, if you have a refund coming, they don't assess you the penalty. If you owe them a balance due, then you have a late filing penalty. And everybody's is different because it's a percentage of what you owe.
Haddock says Liberty Tax will be open until 9 tomorrow night to make sure needs are met. You can also make appointments and upload needed documents ahead of time online to make it easier. In studio, Caitlin Richards, 9 on your side.